Very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss flip-flop conversion and we will derive excitation table of each flip-flop with the help of characteristics table of flip-flops. Okay, this is very important, and for this, first of all, you need to recall your characteristics table. This is your characteristics table and this is your excitation table of each flip-flop SR, JK, D and T. What is characteristics table? What is the difference between characteristic table and excitation table? In characteristic table, with the help of flip-flop inputs and present state, we determine value of next state. Okay, and in excitation table, with the help of present state Qn and next state Qn plus 1, we determine value of flip-flop inputs. This is your characteristics. This is your characteristics table and this is your excitation table. First of all, we will determine for SR flip-flop. Okay, Qn plus 1, there are 4 possible values: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now when value of Q and Q plus, or you can say Qn plus 1 is 0, 0, what will be value of SR? Okay, from here you can write down. When Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0, there is SR 0, 0, and there is one more case. Okay, when 0, 0, S equal to Qn equal to 0, Qn plus 1 equal to 0, again S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Okay, this one and this one. Now you can see here 0, 0 same. Okay, that's why I am writing 0 here. 0 to 1 changing, 0 to 1 changing, so write down X. X is nothing, don't care. So 0, 0, SR is 0, 0. When again 0, 0, SR is 0, 1. So 0 is constant, so S is 0 and R equal to X. Similarly for 0, 1. Okay, check from here. 0, 1, 0, 1. There is only one case, 0, 1. What is the value? This is 1, 0. Okay, so this is 1, 0. When 1, 0, again there is only one case. When Qn is 1, Qn plus 1 is 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, there is only one case, 0, 1. So it is 0, 1. When 1, 1, again there are two cases, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so 0 to 1 changing X and 0, 0 same, so X 0. By this method you can determine excitation table of SR flip-flop. Similarly you can determine for JK flip-flop. In JK it will be same 0x, you know S equal to J, R equal to K. What is the only difference in JK flip-flop? Last two. Now instead of invalid condition, there will be toggle condition. Okay, there will be toggle condition. So this will be same, just like this. Again this will be same. Now in case of 0, 1, there will be two possible case. Okay, 0, 1, when Qn is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now go to the characteristics table of JK flip-flop. 0, 1, 0, 1. Characteristic table of this 0, 1, 0, 1. One case is here and one case is here, 0, 1. Okay, so what is value? Here is 1, 1, here is 1, 0. So 1, 0 to 1 X. So 1 X is coming. 1 X is coming. Okay, similarly for 1, 0, there will be two case. There will be X1 and 1, 1, there will be X0, just like SR. Now come into D flip-flop. You know the characteristic equation of D flip-flop. Qn plus 1 equal to what? D. So you can say D equal to Qn plus 1. So whatever is the next state, that will be value of D. So what is this next state? 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is coming 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, last one for T flip-flop. you know what is the characteristic equation of T flip-flop? Qn plus 1 equal to T XOR Qn. Okay, Qn plus 1 is T XOR Qn. So you have to remember, if A XOR B equal to C, then B XOR C will be equal to A, and A XOR C will be equal to B. If Qn plus 1 equal to T XOR Qn, so T will be Q XOR Qn. So this is 0 0 XOR, just XOR property, 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. So you have to remember this excitation table. Okay, this is very very important for upcoming topics. In when you will design counter and register, at that time you need to recall this excitation table. Now we will see how to convert one flip-flop into another flip-flop. Flip-flop conversion. These are the steps. Okay. First step is identify what is available flip-flop and what is required flip-flop. Second, you have to make the characteristics table for required flip-flop and excitation table for available flip-flop. Then you have to combine both two tables from step number 2 and 3. Now step number 5. Now with the help of K-map, we will determine Boolean expression for available flip-flop inputs. Okay. Last step is draw the circuit. Means draw the required flip-flop circuit with the help of available flip-flop and suitable logic gates. We will use these 6 steps. Okay. Now we will convert one flip-flop into another flip-flop. First, this one. Suppose you have to convert SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. Again, you have to remember 6 steps. What is your available flip-flop? Available flip-flop is SR, and what is required flip-flop? D. So for step number 2, we will draw the characteristics table of D flip-flop and excitation table of SR flip-flop. Okay. For this we will draw characteristics table. For this SR flip-flop we will draw excitation table. Okay, this is your step. Make characteristic table for required flip-flop and excitation table for available flip-flop. Okay, so first we will draw the characteristics table for D flip-flop because it is what? Required flip-flop. So 0 0, you know Qn plus 1 equal to D. So just copy from here, paste here. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now draw the excitation table of SR flip-flop, means excitation table of available flip-flop. Okay, and I am combining all 3, step number 2, 3 and 4 in single table. You know when Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 equal to 0. What is the value of SR? 0x. From where I am writing? From excitation table. You know 0 0, so write down 0x. Okay, 0x. Next 1 0 1 0, Qn is 0 1 and Qn plus 1 value is 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Again you can see from here 0 1 1 0. Similarly for 1 0 what will be? 0 1. For 0 1 you know it will be 1 0. For 1 1 x 0, or 1 1 1 1 x 0. So this table is very very important. Now go to step number 5. Write Boolean expression for available flip-flop. Now what we will do, we will solve value of S and R with the help of D and Qn. Okay, with the help of D and Qn. So D, write down here, Qn. Just write down 1 0. 1 0 means 2. So here 2. Okay, 1 1. What is the value? X. X. Solve it S equal to D. Okay, similarly solve R 0. Don't care. Sigma M 0. Then 1. This one. Solve this. Now S equal to D, R equal to D1. By using K-map, you will determine the value of available flip-flop inputs. Now last step. Now what you need to do, now with the help of suitable logic gate and available flip-flop, we will draw the circuit of required flip-flop. So S equal to D, R equal to D bar. S equal to D, R equal to D bar. This is your what? SR flip-flop. This is available flip-flop. So S D, S equal to D, R equal to D bar. Okay. So this complete circuit is your D flip-flop. In this way you can convert one flip-flop into another flip-flop. We have converted SR flip-flop into D flip-flop. Next we will see conversion of D flip-flop into T flip-flop. D flip-flop into T flip-flop. Again, what is available flip-flop? D, and what is required flip-flop? T. So for required flip-flop or targeted flip-flop, we will draw characteristics table, and for available flip-flop we will draw the excitation table. Okay, you know 0 0. When T is 0, Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 equal to 0. You know when T equal to 0, Qn plus 1 equal to Qn. When T equal to 1, Qn plus 1 equal to Qn bar. So 0, you always have to remember XOR gate is used in T flip-flop, either in characteristics equation or in excitation equation. Okay, excitation table you can say for better way. 0 0 0 0 1. What is the XOR 0 1? 1. XOR of 1 0 1. XOR of 1 1 0. This is your characteristics table of T flip-flop. Now draw the excitation table of what? D flip-flop. Okay. This is step number 2, 3 and 4. Now you know Qn plus 1 equal to what? It is D. So D will be Qn plus 1. D will be Qn plus 1. 0 equal to 0. 1 equal to 1. 1 equal to 1. 0 equal to 0. Now with the help of T and Qn, solve value of D. Okay. So this is Y equal to sigma M 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And this is no pair. So D equal to T dash Qn plus T Qn dash. It is nothing. D equal to T XOR Qn. D equal to T XOR Qn. Directly you can recall this equation. Okay. From where? You know what is Qn plus 1. You know Qn plus 1 equal to T XOR Qn. This is the characteristics equation of T flip-flop. And you know D equal to Qn plus 1. So directly you can say D equal to Qn plus D equal to Qn plus 1, and Qn plus 1 is T XOR Qn. So D equal to T XOR Qn. Okay, this is the shortcut method. Qn plus 1 equal to, you know, T XOR Qn, and D equal to Qn plus 1. So D equal to T XOR Qn. Now with the help of available flip-flop and suitable logic gate, draw the circuit of required flip-flop. This is available flip-flop D, and this is required flip-flop T flip-flop. D equal to T XOR Qn. Okay. In this way you can convert D flip-flop to T flip-flop. Suppose you have to convert T flip-flop into D flip-flop. Okay, D flip-flop into T flip-flop. Now what you will do? Suppose you have to convert T to D flip-flop. Now you will make characteristics equation, a characteristics table for available flip-flop, sorry, required flip-flop, and excitation table for what? Excitation table for required flip-flop, sorry, available flip-flop. Okay, now you know directly this is your table. Now just you will write down D here, Qn here, Qn plus 1, and T here. Okay, again you can directly determine by shortcut method. You know what is D equal to Qn plus 1, and what is T? You know T equal to Qn XOR Qn plus 1, or you can say Qn plus 1 equal to what? D XOR Qn. Okay, so this way, by this way you can directly determine. In this case D equal to T XOR Qn, and in another case T will be D XOR Qn. If A XOR B equal to C, B XOR C will be A. If in this case D equal to T XOR Qn, so T will be D XOR Qn. In this way you can convert T flip-flop into D flip-flop. Now we will see SR to JK flip-flop conversion. Next, SR to JK flip-flop. What is available flip-flop? SR, and what is required flip-flop? JK. So we will make the characteristics table of JK flip-flop. Okay, this is characteristic table of JK flip-flop, and excitation table for SR flip-flop. 0 0 0 0, no change. 0 0, this is 1, same, no change. 0 1, reset condition. Okay, 0 1 again reset condition. 1 0 1 0, you know 1 0, there is set condition. 1 1 1 1 toggle condition. 0 toggle 1, and 1 1 again toggle condition. 1 0. Now determine the excitation. 0 0 0 x 1 1 x 0 0 0 0 x 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 x 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Now solve S and R. Okay, you have to solve, you have to determine value of S and R, which will be the equation of JK and Qn. JK and Qn. Okay, now with the help of this K-map you will solve. Just write down in K-map all the minterms and don't care terms, and when you will solve, there is only one pair. Okay, one pair. You can leave these don't care term. S equal to JQn bar, and similarly when you will solve this, R equal to KQn. Okay, again one pair. Now draw the final circuit. This is your final circuit. SR is given, and you have to draw JK. S equal to JQn bar. Okay, JQn bar, and R equal to KQn. When I explained JK flip-flop, at that time I told you S equal to JQn bar and R equal to KQn, from where I took that from flip-flop conversion. Okay, in this way you can convert one flip-flop into another flip-flop. For more practice you can convert JK to SR, D to SR, SR to D, T to JK, T to SR. Just practice, and if you face any problem you can contact me. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.